Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add an announcement bar in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log in to your Hostinger account and click on websites. Now, next to the websites that you want to add your announcement promotion promotion announcement bar, click on this edit website button. Let's switch back to the desktop view, and this is my website in Hostinger website builder. And first, let's give it a visit. As you see, this is how it looks live. Now to add an announcement bar, it's simple. Just hover over the header section and you will see this button called add sticky bar. Click on it and automatically a new bar will be added on the top of your header section. Now for example, now you need to add your promotional text. For this, I will get the help of ChatGPT. For my website called NYC Pizza, give me promo announcement bar copies. Okay. Okay, I think this is good. 10% off your first order now. Let's copy this announcement text or promo text. You can, my bad. Let's add it from, first I will paste it here to remove any text formatting, and then I will add it here. Okay, I will, yes, I will make this 10% off your first order. And for this order now, I will link it to my order page. So select the text like this, click on this link icon. You can link to a page or an external page. In my case, I will link to an internal page. So I will select it from here, order online, click on save. Now this is a link added to my announcement bar or promo bar. Here you can also edit this section design by first clicking on the side of the bar like this and click on edit section. You can pick a section color like this. Let's go with this yellow color. You can also, let's view from the layout, you can adjust the announcement bar height. And from here, you can edit the visibility depending for mobile and for desktop. This way you are, the announcement bar is hidden on the desktop and visible on the mobile. Let's keep it visible on both mobile and desktop. And don't forget to update your website. Now that my website is updated, let's view my new promotion announcement bar. And as you see, this is how it looks like. Personally, I didn't like this color or both colors. I will adjust the color from here. This is good. And also for this header section, I will pick a white color. Is this white? Transparent. Let's keep it, or let's go with white. For the header, yes, the text, header text, I will go with white. I think this is good. For the logo, I will go with NYC Pizza, just like this. Text logo, NYC, and also I will pick white. For the font, I will go with something bold and make it a little bit bigger. Then I will make the header not sticky. Close, update. Now let's view my new promotion after the update, and this is how it looks like. 10% off your first order now. If you click on it, you arrive on this page. My bad. The header is okay. And this is how to add the promotional announcement bar in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.